Alright, well, this was a pain in the butt, but finally got this done. So this is my Baldor bench grinder. I've been kicking around for years and finally got around to cleaning it up and painting it. So it's ready to get reassembled. So it was pretty nasty when I got it. I even got the stand for it here, but I took it apart and painted it. So I have new diamond discs. I redid the hardware and I'm going to try out these lights here. So originally this thing came with, antiquated light. I'm going to see how these work out so you can actually adjust these. Yeah. I feel like these are way better. Alright, well, this is the stand. So all this stuff was like a gray color, and I went with a blue. It's like a navy blue or something like that. I just hit the hardware with a wire wheel, and yeah, these are actually pretty good. Surprised. And here's the diamond discs. So the discs that came on this thing when I got it, they were just like nubs. They were just down to a nub. There was nothing on them. So I'm gonna put it back together, I guess. All right, so I just bolted it back onto the stand. It's just some wires, some bolts. It's like nothing really exciting to show, but so nothing to this. All right, so really the next thing to mount are the guards, I guess. I'm not sure what you would call these. Okie dokies. So you gotta put in the discs now. So there's like a little set screw. That's literally the key way. I swear, these things have to be like perfect. Why not perfect? Otherwise it won't go on. So that's basically it. It's one wheel. Alright, well, so this is basically how you torque this guy down. So it's identical on each side. So let's shoot this boy on there. And click! Alright. There you go. Good and tight. So these guys, I think they go like this. Now I gotta remember which freaking side these go on. To look, but so those are all the indicators. All right. Okay, and then really it's just the platforms. I turned on a little bit more light. It's basically, these are the two buttons here, and they ride in these channels. So alright, we're gonna zero this guy. So basically this table, I zeroed it off the table here because I know my table's dead flat. So we're off by 3.4, 3.8 I mean. So we're off by like 4 degrees. Doop-a-doop and doop-a-doop. Okay. Alright, so now we can set our dial. This is the for real 0. And if you take this apart again, you gotta do this all over again. So that's fun. I don't know how easy it is to see. The actual grinder is moving across the table right now, but that's basically how straight it's running. This one's a little loppy. Yeah. I think it's the backing plate. I'm not really sure. But to get like actual precision out of this, you have to like machine these plates down, you know, to match. Not really concerned about that. All right, let's finally get this thing thrown up onto the stand. This is gonna be easy mode. Alright, well, that's basically it. I got the light on here. Hopefully it won't rattle itself. Yeah. So I have another light I'm gonna probably attach on here. This is why you need a permanent light, I think. But for now, we got a titanium rod here. This grinder is not meant to take off material. It's meant to sharpen the use a stone for anything you want to actually grind.